HR interview questions. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me about your achievements. Tell me about your project. How you are multitasking. How you are innovative. How will you different from others? What's the difference between hard work and smart work? Can you tell me your strength? Can you tell me about your weakness with an example? What do you do to overcome your weakness? What is your hobby? Do you play any sport? Rate yourself from 1 to 10 in C, C++, Java, databases. What do you know about TCS? Tell me one policy for women that TCS provides. Why only TCS? Why not Microsoft and others? Tell me about college and college day. What are the two challenges you faced in engineering college? Are you flexible in terms of timings and locations? What do you know about night shift? Will you be ready for it? Will your parents support for your job? How many close friends you have? What you will do if anyone slaps you? How were your interviews and explain the questions asked to you? Why you didn't join army? Which is your favorite subject? Which is second favorite? What is primary key and unique key? What are joins, index? What's the differentiate between cat and echo command? Explain operator overloading. Explain primary key and composite key. What have you learned from your internships trainings? Can you write an email to admin for renovation of your workplace you are employee? Can you write an email to police officer regarding the rash driving by bikes near your house? Why should I hire you? If you don't get what you expect, how will you handle it? How will you work if there are no women? Do you have any question for me? Tell me about yourself and your family background. How has your day been so far? Can you name 5 new emerging technologies? Explain me about your project in details. Which domain would you like to work in? What other companies have you applied to? Have you lead any team till date? Which programming languages do you know? Have you done any certification? Which is your favorite programming language? What all other techniques you know? What's the difference between leader and manager? What are your aspirations? Where do you see yourself 2 years down the line? Where you see yourself 5 years down the line and 20 years down the line? What you like in TCS? Why do you want to join TCS? If company is in very bad situation and everyone is resigning, how you will stop them? Explain OPS concept in detail. Explain primary key and foreign key constraint. Explain round robin technique. Write code for operator overloading. Explain difference between TCP and UDP in detail. What's your motivation factor? If you are offered a higher package in another company, what will you do? What are your expectations from TCS? TR interview questions. Tell me something about your academic background. Tell me some basic Linux command. What is preprocessing in C? What are data types in C? Which languages do you know? What are the types of arrays in C? Explain the features of OP. Explain the features of CPP. What is switch case? What is JavaScript? What is mean by pointer? What is static variable? What is SDLC? What is virtual function? What is copy constructor? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is primary key and foreign key? What is referential integrity constraint? What is a trigger? What is insertion sort and bubble sort? What is big data? What is cloud computing? What is binary tree? What are data structures? What is paging? What is DBMS? What is view? What is SW model? What is the enumerate function? Tell me about Java basics. What is reverse string in C++? What is normalization concept? What is overloading and overriding? What is J2E framework? What is null point exception in Java? What is memory alignment? What is inner join, outer join? What is inner class and subclass? What is Oracle? Why it is widely used? Write a program for merge sort and tell sorting algorithm. Write a Python program to check prime number. Write a Python program to print Fibonacci sequence. Which sorting technique is faster? Write small code for sorting numbers. Write assembly program for addition. Write small program to display information in Java. Write code for function overloading. Write a code to print disk drive, folders and files within it. Write a code to implement DLL and perform operation on it. How to implement dictionary search algorithm. Explain heap sort. Explain quick sort. Explain struts. Explain void pointer. Explain HTTP and HTTPS. Explain shell sort. What is rstrip function? Explain the concept of cache memory. Explain ternary operator in Python. Explain join with example. Which tag is used for table in HTML? Tell me about pass by value and pass by reference. Tell me about SQL query. Tell me about ACID property. Which sort algorithm is best? What is inheritance and abstraction? What are the different servers available? What's the difference between C, C++, Java? What's the difference between socket and session? What's the difference between DBMS and RDBMS? What's the difference between MySQL and Oracle? What's the difference between MySQL and NoSQL? What's the difference between MySQL and SQL? What's the difference between firewall and proxy server? What's the difference between Python and Java? What's the difference between TCL and DDL? What's the difference between HTML and CSS? What you will do to increase the access speed of database? What logic to be used for implementing searching on dictionary? What are the data types in SQL? Which DBMS tools are in use and why? Can you explain SDTL model? What is Hadoop MapReduce? Write a query for inner join given to tables A and B. Do you know IP addresses? What are the classes in IP addresses? Write a PHP program for Fibonacci series. Have you used SQL in a programming language? What are the data types in SQL? Write a SQL query to select top 10 names. How comfortable are you with operating systems? How would you make interface? What is WAMP server?